Hey friends, if you wish to know what a monitor's refresh rate is and how you can change it, then the monitor's refresh rate is the number of times the monitor refreshes in 1 second. So you may see that the monitor is normal, but it's actually refreshing a lot. You need a higher refresh rate like 144 Hertz when you're playing games. Otherwise, you do not need that as such. And can you change it? Well, if your monitor has multiple refreshes, then you can change it as follows. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab and select display in the right pane. Scroll down and select graphics. Go to advanced graphics and check if you want a variable refresh rate or a specific one. Okay, so these are options that you have. And obviously you can go to advanced display and you can choose the refresh rate manually. Like in my case, I have two options, 60 and 48 Hertz. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.